Hey planners, it's Tay of Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have my October kit lineup to share with you. So let's take a look at the kits I'm planning to use for the month of October. This kit lineup is for my B6 memory planner, and I use the Sadie Stickers vertical undated memory planner, and I have a dashboard spread, monthly spread, and then of course my weekly spreads that I will be planning. And so starting off with my dashboard spread for this month, this is the Letters to Apollo Crisp kit, and this is the A5 sized kit, which is really amazing. I've never used an A5 sized planner, but I saw this and I thought this would be nice to try something different and give it a go. And it honestly reminded me a little bit of just like a journaling kit when I saw it. And so I thought, okay, well, this is something I'm very familiar with from that standpoint. I love these boxes. They're definitely smaller than what would fit in like a standard column. So like if I were trying to use it as a weekly spread, it's like definitely shorter than the width of a column. So it's not 1.5 inches in width, but it's also a little bit too big to use for the monthly section for the B6 monthly, which is fine. But initially I was thinking about using this for my monthly, and I would have just overlapped the boxes with this size box. It wouldn't have bothered me at all because I think they're super cute, and I think like visually there's definitely a way to make that really dynamic and pretty too. But I will be using this for my dashboard, and on my dashboard spreads, I use this grid page and I turn it into a dashboard in which I track my orders for the month and then the kits that I'm using throughout the week. We can take a look at my, this is my September dashboard, and this is what it looks like once I begin filling it out. I've just tracked my orders at the top and then mark each of the kits that I'm using as I do them each week. And I learned, I learned a long time ago to do that week by week and not just like write in what I plan to use, because sometimes my plans change, the order of the kits that I want to use change, something new comes in the mail and I totally change my lineup. So that said, everything that I'm sharing and showing in this lineup is what I am planning to do as of right now. And if things change, you'll know because you'll see it in the Plan With Me videos. But I love this. I think the colors of this are really pretty for October. This is definitely giving me just beautiful, soothing autumn vibes, and I am excited. And I think this is going to be a great way to start off this section. Then moving into my monthly spread, which this one I am super excited about. So this is the Sadie Stickers Sunflower Town, and this was a deco sheet or journaling sheet. I don't recall what sheet. No, I think she may have called this a journaling sheet. And both of these were released for $2 Tuesdays. This is Sunflower Town, and then this is Sunflowers and Eucalyptus. And I have this one in both the premium matte and transparent matte paper. I have a feeling I'm going to end up using the premium matte one. And I didn't know which one I would prefer for sure when I purchased them, so I wanted to get both. And I don't know, I may incorporate some of the transparent matte as well. What I like about transparent matte stickers is when you put them on the page, they really sort of mesh more into the background. You get more of a subtle sort of wash of color on the page, whereas of course with your premium matte stickers, they pop a little bit more off the page. But it was this house. Because originally, and I kind of, like I was saying, I originally thought about using this for my monthly. I was originally thinking of using this for my dashboard. And as I was sitting down looking at the order of this, I was like, I really like that house. And I kind of thought I would like it on my dashboard page because the scale of it is so great. But then I was looking at my monthly section and I was like, but that would look really cute like down here in this note section as like my header. Oh, I'm like, I have so many thoughts running through my head, and I'm so excited to plan my my monthly spread because I feel like I've got some really fun images. I love the fence. I love all of that. And then of course these large elements. I think I'm going to be able to make something really fun with this. And I love the mix of the beautiful sunflower florals and then this giving me the fun clip art focal points. That just makes me super excited. Oh my gosh, and I'm just realizing there's no foil on this. Oh, yay! That's really exciting as well. I'm going to pair this with gold foil for sure, absolutely. And you're going to see why in just a moment. Does this have foil? It doesn't have foil either. I feel like I'm going to put silver foil with this and just like switch things up. You could totally do rose gold with this easily. but I'm definitely going to do silver, and I'll show you why as we flip to week 1. Because legit, like 3 of the 4 kits for this month are rose gold foil. So it was super easy and a total no-brainer to decide that I wanted silver foil for my dashboard and gold foil for my monthly, just to give myself an opportunity to utilize some of my other autumn embellishments and things like that in silver and gold foil, so that I'm not using up all of my rose gold like I did last autumn, in which all of my rose gold autumn embellishments, like my $2 Tuesday sort of deco stickers and add-ons and all of that stuff, I ran through like all of my rose gold from the autumn themed ones, and I have a bunch of like gold and silver left over from last year because autumn kits are very rose gold themed. Anywho, let's get into week 1. So for the first week of October, I will be using the Paper Trail Plans Strong Kit, and I'm so excited for this kit on multiple levels. One, it's an amazing kit to celebrate breast cancer awareness, and some of a percentage of the proceeds from purchases for this collection are being donated to breast cancer research, which is absolutely amazing and so wonderful to support. It's a beautiful kit. Pink is my favorite color. I was immediately drawn to it. I love what this kit stands for. I love the beautiful rose gold foiling. I think it's absolutely stunning. And then on a completely superficial level, the Monday of this week is October 3rd. And I absolutely want to mark it's October 3rd, and on Wednesdays we wear pink. And it's like the perfect kit for that because there's just so much pink. Oh, and if you know what movie I'm talking about, leave it down in the comments. Tell me how awesome you are, and we are friends because I love that movie. But yes, it's October 3rd. So this will be for the week of October 3rd to the 9th. And I cannot wait to use this kit. I think it's going to be absolutely lovely, and really excited to play around with this. I think it's the perfect way to start off the month of October, as it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. For the second week of October, my current plan is to use this beautiful kit called Maple, and this is from Paper Muse Crafts. It is also foiled in rose gold foil. I told you there was going to be a lot of that this month. But this one, I just think it's the perfect follow-up to the Strong Kit, because the Strong Kit is so very, very pink, and this kit is not pink at all. And I love that. I love the stark color transition. And it's so funny. I was watching Cassie, Sweet Like Honey Plans, and with her kit lineup and the way she organizes her kits, she's like a really nice color flow. It's like a really nice like color transition from one kit to the next, where she sort of will try to pick up on one of the colors from the previous kit that she was using. So like if a kit has pink and green in it, and then the next kit after that is like green and blue, and then the next kit after that is like blue and purple, like she'll pull one color from the previous kit that she was using and sort of make it a nice transition. And so her kit color scheme has a really great flow. My approach is completely different. My approach is like when I'm flipping through my planner, I'm really happiest when like it's just like a stark change from one kit to the next. It's just like bam, totally pink, and then teal and orange and yellow and blue, and I'm just like, yeah, that feels right. But yeah, that makes sense. Oh, there's pink in here. Never mind. I probably will very much minimize the amount of pink that I use from this kit. I didn't even realize there was pink in this kit. Yeah, I probably won't be using the pink boxes. I'll probably be dodging them and play up the teal and the orange, because I think that'll be really fun. Because and I think it's just, I remain obsessed with this bottom washi. It distracts me every time I see it. It's so gorgeous. I think that is something that's just so authentic to my personality, and just kind of the scattered way my brain works. There's something about sort of that more eclectic nature, and in the way that I like to approach things, and feeling like I'm doing something that feels completely different from one week to the next, that my brain just sort of feeds off of and really enjoys. So I've got my kit, I've got my deco, and I'm looking forward to planning with this and loving the really good mix of florals and clip art that we've got going here. So that is what I have planned for week 2. Should nothing change, this is what will happen on to week 3. I haven't even had a chance to haul this kit yet, and so I kind of want to show it to you, but also not really look too hard at it myself, because I don't want to ruin this for myself. Oh, because I always love giving like my initial reaction to my kits in my hauls, but that's just not an option for this one. I've seen it. It's here. It's right in front of my face. I know what's happening. It's green and pink, which is like my favorite color combination. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, so pretty. This is everything. Back in, what was that, like February, I think? Yeah, it had to have been February, because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my anniversary kit, and I messaged Alicia from Sadie Stickers because because I couldn't find what I was looking for, and so I was kind of just like bugging her and see if I could get her to make a kit that was going to be perfect for me to use for my anniversary spread. And what she created was like this romantic, whimsical fairy tale perfect kit, and I loved using it for my anniversary. And I saw this, and this pulled in that same vibe and emotion. I feel the same way looking at this Breeze kit as I did when I used my anniversary kit that I helped Alicia from Sadie Stickers design. Okay. So as you can see, the nature elements and the romantic elements in the ladder, it just, all of it is so beautiful. And I loved this so much. And so when I saw this kit, I was like, there's just no way in the world I can't have this. I have to have this because this feels like the autumn version of that fairy tale kit. And I just fell in love immediately, knew I wanted to use this. And oh my God, look at the clip art. I swoon. Yay. Bird cages. I cannot. Ooh, I bet I still have some of my bird stickers from Panda Bird Design Collab. Oh, that's lovely. This has butterflies in it, which is also perfect for me because I love butterflies, but I also really love these bird cages. Definitely want to play that up. The fence elements. I have so much fun things that I am excited to pull in for this spread, and just a lot of really fun elements that I think are going to take this spread to the next level. It also gives me like that feeling of being able to sort of improve on what I did back in February and sort of see how my planning techniques and things have sort of shifted, moving into a smaller planner, going from an A5 wide to a B6, and then also just how my planning style has evolved and progressed going from February to now being in October. And I definitely think my planning style is going through a bit of a shift and transition at the moment. So I'm excited to see what I'm able to come up with using this kit. And I'm so looking forward to this one. Oh my God. Love. Complete and total love. And then for the last full week of October, from the 24th to the 30th, I will actually be in the Caribbean. And so I selected this gorgeous kit from Ink Paper Plan. I am newly on her PR team, which I am so excited about. Her kits are stunning. I actually got a chance to use one of her kits for the first time back in August. It was this kit, which is so funny to me now looking at this. Both of the kits, the very first two kits that I've ever gotten from this shop have both been tropical. So this one, what was this week? No, this one was like nothing special. It was just summertime. And so I was so in love with this kit and this spread, and I had so much fun using this kit. And when the opportunity to join her affiliate team came up, I was like, absolutely, because this was just a joy to plan, and I knew that I would really enjoy being on her team because I really enjoy her stickers. I had a blast planning this. So it was very funny that the first two things were very tropical themed, but after this spread will progress into just some more regular everyday kits. But I have no complaints. First of all, this is silver foiled, which, yay. Just, oh, the excitement. I love the fact that this is silver foiled. I haven't even had a chance to haul this kit yet either. So you all, I guess depending on the order in which you watch this was either in a haul that you've seen or in a haul that's upcoming. But this is the kit that I'll be using. Oh, I also have pulled out this from the Sweet Planner. This is a dashboard kit from the Sweet Planner that had really similar artwork, and what I love about this is how neutral this kit is. I love the subtle sand tones and then the blues and the greens, so gorgeous. But I saw this and I thought the pops of like the pink and yellow and these florals, I kind of want to pull these in because everything else in this kit is very, very palm tree, which I love. But like pairing those palm trees with, you see what I'm seeing, right? Pairing the palm trees with that beautiful pop of the pink and yellow of those florals, gonna be amazing. I love that so very much. It's giving me all the tropical vibes that I want and making me feel very, very Caribbean vacation. So that is why I pulled this out, because I know those colors are really going to complement the blues and greens that are happening in this kit. So I'm really excited to pull in those florals to pair with this. Also love these palm trees and the bottom washi. Look at the palm trees and the bottom washi. Like the placement, oh, is spot on perfect. Love that. It looks so good. I cannot wait to use this kit. Okay, so this is beautiful. It's beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at the shine of that foil. Oh, look at the shine of the foil on this palm tree. So pretty. And then of course had to get the journaling add-ons. And again, not sure how I wanted to use them. If I ever get to the point where I am certain, that'll make my life a lot easier when it comes to journaling kits, because at the moment I still feel like I keep ordering them in both premium matte and transparent matte because they both work really well, but both serve different functions on the page. And I think I used both in the last spread that I used, because yeah, like behind her here I have one of the transparent matte journaling sheets, because I really like that. I've had some of the transparent journaling elements there as well. Yeah, I don't know that I will ever have a preference, because both of the ways these two types of elements function on a spread, I use and like both. So I guess I'm fine. I'm all good. But this is going to be so perfect to use for my vacation spread, which I'm really looking forward to this vacation, because it's been a very long, stressful summer, and I definitely could use a break. So I'm looking forward to the end of October, because the vacation just sounds so needed in life right now. This is my kit lineup for the month of October. Usually when I'm pulling kits at the start of the month, it's always like, okay, this is a strong lineup. Now here's hoping I can do these kits justice and create spreads as beautiful as these kits are. And that's how I feel going into this month, because I really love this selection and assortment of kits. And I think if I'm able to pull this off the way I'm seeing it in my head, October could easily become one of my favorite months in my planner for this year. So I'm really hoping to do these kits justice and enjoy planning with these, because this has the potential to be so much fun. Thank you all so much for watching. I would love to know what kits you're planning on using for the month of October, so you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you next video.